Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to do the shoot dance. This will be a very simple tutorial, so let's get right to it. I'm basically going to be breaking down the process for doing the shoot dance in 3 simple steps. So if you follow these 3 simple steps, you should be able to do the shoot dance with a little bit of practice. Let's get right into it. The first step is basically bouncing up and down and kicking one of your feet. Now, some people say to use the right, some people say to use the left. I personally say it doesn't really matter for the most part, as long as you're jumping and kicking your foot. I'm going to try and get into the camera frame right here. So as you can see, I'm basically going to be jumping and kicking my foot like this, just like that. So you want to basically go like this, but at the same time you want to jump. And when you landed the jump, that's when you're kicking forward, like that, just like that. So just do this for a few minutes and practice just like that. That's step number 1. Now, step number 2 is when you're doing that, when you kick your foot forward, you want to swing both arms forward. So you basically want to be going like this, and when your foot goes back, your arms go back. When your foot goes forward, your arms go forward. So what you're going to do is kick your foot and then incorporate your hands like that, just like that, and really give it some bounce. Just like that. You can really throw your head around. Now, step number 3 is the alternating process. So you basically, sorry, I'm out of breath. This is pretty intense jumping that quickly for that long, at least for me. So what you want, and talking. So what you want to do is you want to alternate between doing this, and then what you want to do is take this hand on the same side as the foot that you're kicking with. So I'm kicking with my right foot. So I'm going to use my right hand, bring it up, and you're going to fist pump in the same way. When your foot goes forward, your hand goes forward, just like that. So once again, your other hand, which is my left hand, stays put. Keep it to your side. So for step number 3, it's going to look like this, just like that. Okay? Now, when you bring it all together, what you want to do is you want to start off with step number 1, then go into step number 2, which is both hands, and then go into step number 3, which is just one hand. And then alternate between steps 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Just like this. So when it's all brought together, this is what it's going to look like. Now, you want to get started by just kicking, just like that. Kick, then step 2, just like that. Step 3, step 2, step 3, step 2, step 3. Now, what you want to do is, as you're doing that, you don't want to really stay stiff with your upper body. You don't want to just, go like this. You really want to move your body in any way that you can as you're jumping. So when you incorporate all those steps and you start really moving your body, it's going to look something like this. Step 1, step 2, step 3, and then really move your body like that. Just like that. Okay? Now, before I take these curtains down, I'm going to give you a bonus tip. The key factor here is to start slow and work your way up. If you just start off by jumping around, trying to do everything together, it's probably going to be very hard for you to get this right. Now, sorry, I didn't give myself a chance to catch my breath because I was doing the moves and I keep talking. So what you want to do is you want to slowly start off with step 1, just the kick. Then incorporate step 2, which is both hands. Then incorporate step 3. Then you can alternate between step 2 and 3, and then you can really start moving your body as you do it. And that's basically it. In this video, I've shown you how to do the shoot dance. It's a very simple process, and I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up while I catch my breath. Please be sure to subscribe, and of course, comment with what you think down below. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.